Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start on Console A. Sign into your Nintendo account and enable Nintendo Switch Online so cloud saves work. Next, open System Settings, choose Data Management, and then Save Data Cloud. Upload the most recent save for every game you want on Console B. Once done, make sure Auto Backup is enabled so future progress syncs automatically, and remember some titles don't support cloud backup, so note those exceptions before moving on. On Console B, sign into that identical Nintendo account and confirm Nintendo Switch Online is active. Then navigate to System Settings, Data Management, and Save Data Cloud. Select each game and download the cloud copy to Console B. If Console B already has a local save, you will be prompted to overwrite or keep the local file. Pause and compare timestamps, because choosing incorrectly can erase newer progress. Once downloaded, play briefly to confirm the save loads correctly. Finalize the workflow by playing on one console and then allowing the save to upload fully before switching. Watch for the Upload Complete indicator. If a conflict prompt appears, compare timestamps and manually upload the save you intend to keep from the source console, then download it to the other device. If something goes wrong, power cycle both consoles and repeat the upload/download cycle. If cloud data appears corrupted or missing, contact.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.